y'all. By the way, today, I decided, I know I do a lot of coffee videos, but I haven't actually shown like the coffee that I actually make. Don't worry about the noise in the background. I am making food. Am I filming it? No, I don't know why. Anyways, I never shown the coffee that I actually make like every day on a regular basis. So we gonna do that. We have Starbucks Blonde Espresso, which is already grounded up. It's grounded. So I put way too much coffee in it. And that jar that's filled with. I literally don't need like all this. Don't work fast with espresso. Okay. That was the International Delight Vanilla. If you were wondering. Usually I actually pay attention to how much coffee is being made in my machine, but for some reason today I didn't, so go me. And I just threw in some cashew milk. Take a straw. Literally so easy. I don't always put whipped cream in it, but today I was feeling like I needed a little extra love, so I'm a whipped cream. Hit me! I'm stuck in the coffee. A little dollop on top. Let's give it a taste test. Yes, ma'am. That is what I'm talking about. Literally the easiest iced coffee to make ever at home, and it's like so bomb. I don't actually have a mess to clean up, but I do have food that needs my desperate attention. Thanks for watching. Literally super simple, super easy. You can do it in like literally 5 seconds. Yeah, that's it. That's all, folks. That's all, folks.